let's talk about few questions of biology test 24 by the national test over. Now first question number 1. Question number: during photorespiration, the decarboxylation reaction occurs in. During photorespiration, actually basically we know three organelles are involved, like chloroplast, peroxisome and mitochondria. Chloroplast, peroxisome and mitochondria, three organelles are involved. In these three organelles, in mitochondria, glycine, two molecule is converted to serine and release the carbon dioxide or CO2, right? So glycine is converted to serine and CO2 is released. That's why it's a decarboxylation reaction. We can see that these are the chloroplasts, these are peroxisome, and these are mitochondria. So chloroplast, actually in chloroplast there is a phosphoglycolate converted to glycolate, glycolate converted into enters into the peroxisomes, then converted into glyoxylate, glyoxylate converted into glycine. You can see that glycine that enter into mitochondria, and then in mitochondria glycine is converted into serine, and then serine enter into the peroxisome, and here you can see that there's a CO2 is released. This is a decarboxylation reaction, so answer will be mitochondria. Now next is which day in a normal human menstrual cycle does LH surge occurs. We know LH surge basically occurs in the during day 14. You can see that the different hormones play important role in menstrual cycle. Menstrual cycle four hormones basically major important, and here so first one is FSH, that is follicle stimulating hormones, that LH, luteinizing hormones, estrogen and progesterone. Follicle stimulating hormones and estrogen actually in during day 12 estrogen get peak is higher. Due to the estrogen increase, the LH surge occurs, and LH surge occurs during day 14. Day 14 actually the day where LH surge occurs, right? Now next is antiparallel strand in DNA is due to the DNA is in, we know that DNA is 5 prime to 3 prime, another part is 3 prime to 5 prime, and the strand, so these are due to the phosphodiester bond. 5 prime which 5 prime phosphate and there is a 3 prime wedge bond occurs. This phosphodiester bond is due to this phosphodiester bond, DNA is anti-parallel in nature. So the anti-parallel strand is due to phosphodiester bond in phosphodiester bond. Now next is in scrotum, is a temperature regulation. Temperature scrotum helps in maintaining the low temperature in the testes.